Imagine fighting injustice, climate crisis, and political battles with memes, punchlines, and sarcasm. A world where mocking complacency with humor is not just a rebellion, it is a strategy. The battlegrounds for the fight? Not parliaments, no press briefings. Well, they are social media arenas like X, Instagram, Meta, and Reddit. And the weapons? Well, not laws, not lathis, but wit, sarcasm, and humor. This is not a regular woke. This is dark woke. Dark woke is activism stripped of politeness and reloaded with irony. It does not file petitions. It does not beg for empathy. It mocks, it ridicules, and it embarrasses power. You thought memes are for just killing time? Nope, they're killing complacency. Take Trump for example. He was the meme fuel for a decade. And still is. From the legendary coffee feed to tariff memes that mocked his trade wars, to Epstein jokes that tied him to scandal he wished would disappear. Dark woke meme turned the most powerful man of the world into the butt of internet's running joke. And nothing scares an authoritarian more than a ridicule.
Correct.
Governments write laws. Dark woke writes punchlines. Guess which one trends faster. In India, it plays out differently. Bahujan youth have been fighting caste discrimination, not just with rallies, but with memes. Sarcasm replaces silence. From WhatsApp forwards to Instagram reels, jokes about merit admission and upper caste fragility cut sharper than academic papers ever could. For communities long ignored by mainstream media, humor becomes both shield and sword. If this feels too sarcastic, that is good, because dark woke does not do bedtime stories. Look back at the 2020 lockdown memes. When skies cleared and pollution dropped, people posted, "I can see Himalayas from Jalandhar." Then came the sarcastic twist. "I can see Eiffel Tower from Indore," basically mocking complacency with humor and pointing at the deeper truth. If nature only heals when humans vanish indoors, the system is broken. And then there is Bihar. The Election Commission of India's special intensive revision of voter rolls demanded airtight documentation. Proof that many ordinary citizens simply do not have. But here is the kicker. Thousands upon thousands of fake voters still float inside ECI's voter list. So basically airtight for the real ones and wide open for the fakes. A perfect recipe for vote theft and rigging, wrapped neatly in the language of transparency. It is like locking your front door while leaving back door wide open. Congratulations, democracy. You just got robbed. Civil groups like ADR flagged it, and opposition called it vote bandi. The Supreme Court of India finally had to intervene, demanding ECI publish the list of nearly 65 lakh voters struck off from Bihar's rolls. And the response from dark woke camp? Ruthless. The whole SIR issue was memed, mocked, humored, and made viral. It is as they say, when watchdog naps, dark woke barks. That is the essence of dark woke. When regular woke explains, dark woke mocks. Where traditional protests march, dark woke memes. Where petitions get ignored, well, punchlines go viral. Is it messy? Yes. Is it polarizing? Definitely. But in an attention economy like digital spaces, irony travels further than earnestness. Dark woke does not ask for attention. It hijacks it. Like right now. Welcome to the evolving world of dark woke. The fight is dead serious, even when it is funny.